I will explain about the RSL method. So the question is the manager needs RSL to be implemented on the report so that each user can see data only from the country region. So first I have to create some table, give username, then country. Here I will say the username Python USA, Power BI Canada, then SQL UK, then Excel India. The table name will be information. Now I have to create a relationship. Yeah, so I will first take this information table to now I will set. Yeah, now I will go to modeling, manage. First I will delete all these roles. Then I will create a new role and select yeah information. Yeah. Username equals to yeah. So I'm gonna select Power BI. It's showing country Canada because I can show that. Yeah, so when I stop doing, yeah, Power BI means Canada. So that's why it was showing Canada's.